What does a horse say? Nah. What does a cow say? A cow. A cow.
He's saying owl, but an owl says, huh?
What does a cow say? No, that's a dog. Or an owl. What does a cat say? What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does Bella say? Meow, meow. What does a cow say?
Charging my phone.
Ma.
Make this so it's charging my phone.
What does a horse say? Yeah. What does a dog say? Woof, woof. What does an owl say? Say,
an owl say. What does a turkey say? Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble,
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Say bah. What does an owl say? Ow, ow. What does a pig say?
Wink, 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 wink. Wink, 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 wink.
What a pretty pig face you have.
Bah, bah.
Say tickle.
I have to charge my phone and I don't think I...
Toe?
I don't know why.
Where is Thumpkin? Where is Thumpkin? Here I am. Here I am. Hey, today, sir. Very well, thank you. Run away. You have to run away.
Oh, and have them sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Treetop.
That's
Treetop.
right, treetop.
Fall. Oh no. Can you sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? You have to sing it.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Don't look, just sing.
little star, how I wonder what you are. It's getting too tired now. isn't it?
Okay, say
I
bye-bye.
wish that we had been filming right when
Say
you-
bye, I
you're
love you.
waving, I say.
Say bye, I love you. Say see you later. Well, that's enthusiastic.
And if you were replaying this though, and he was hearing it on there, he'll answer
Yes.
everything that you've asked him to do. Like